holding a PCC core committee. I would rather, the need of the hour definitely is the compassionate concern and also assistance by all Congress people who are otherwise meant, sacrificed, developed and continue to do it in the interest of the nation and the country. This is a pandemic which never before happened. Unfortunately, during our lifetime, we are witnessing such a thing. So, our concern must be translated into compassionate activity as suggested by AICC, as told by you, and my namaskars to all the participants in spite of going name by name. So, this is one thing. Before all that, my sincere wish and prayers for all those affected, our senior leaders, Manmohan Singh ji, Rahul ji, and other senior leaders, and also our TPCC president, to become speedy recovery. Wish wholeheartedly, consciously, and not only humanitarian, as a congressman, not only as a leader. So, first of all, unfortunately, much time has lapsed before we could meet, but that's not a criticism. But I want to place something on record that some of our important office bearers and spokesperson have collapsed under this pandemic due to COVID. Recently, this Sadanandam, PCC secretary, was also a candidate in Chandrayana, and advocate Amir, spokesperson, Ali Pasha, spokesperson, Nandi Alaya, our senior most leader, and Bandi Narsigao, our one of the important leaders, and Sirajuddin, earlier our minority cell chairman, Narendra Yadav of late, one of our active Congress workers from PCC. They are no more with us, but our hearts, our prayers for their soul to rest in peace will always be there, and we will do whatever is required as together or otherwise individually. This is my submission, sir. And then we come to the failures or otherwise incompetitive, not inconsiderate activities of the state and the center. There are so many things. But most importantly, I would like to mention under these present conditions, in addition to what our AICC suggested for us to do it in the district level and PCC level, in addition to that, what I would rather take up on a party basis, request to take up on a party basis, we have hospital beds and oxygen, and also medical students who are in the villages during this time, and also retired medical staff and doctors who are available at various places in the villages. We should also take their help to give more confidence to the affected people in the state. This is my next 45 days is very crucial, and present ధైర్యం ఇవ్వాల్సిన ఎక్కడికక్కడే ధైర్యం ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. Trying for lockdown after May 2nd అని the government of India or local people, whatever may be thinking, there is a rumor in the social media or the paid articles and something like that, lockdown will be enforced after May 2nd. I was wondering, for these governments, state or center, the election process, retaining power is paramount compared to the health and humanitarian angle of these people, from whom these people got elected. This is unfortunate. I am very, very pained to see that. One example I tell you, my friends, on March, 23rd, March 23rd, 2020, there were only 371 cases in the country, and only 7 deaths were reported on that day. Prior to that, right from beginning, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, our Congress party has been not only warning, giving suggestions to the state and center people to act upon this. It's not a pandemic, it's a tsunami. That's what our people were saying, trying to do that, trying to implement Nyaya. But unfortunately, these governments are. Today, more than 3,49,000 are affected. More than almost 2,900 people are dead today. And this government is immune, is mute witness, silent, inconsiderate, inhuman. They are not declaring lockdown for various reasons. Is it not painful for us? And on top of it, for example, the parliamentary committee, our parliament members including Manickam Thakur knows, in November 2020, they talked about, they requested the Ministry of Health stating that oxygen supply is going to be enforced, improved, increased. November 2020. Today we are almost at the end of April. That's almost 4.5 months. The government has not acted at all. Unfortunately, this country, in spite of being number one and the first one to produce vaccines, we are not able to reach the people to give the vaccines. US, by December 14th, they gave the first vaccine. It's only 4.5 months. You know how much they have given? More than 20 crores out of a population of 330 crores. Here is a country which produced first vaccines, and out of 1300 crores, we gave hardly 12 crores plus, and we chat, we bark, we publicize, we pay for the publicity that this country is number one. Isn't it a shame? It's a matter of shame, as a matter of fact. Oxygen. And last 4 months, our companies have not manufactured even a single dose. One more dose. Only last week, after our Congress party has demanding several times, they have given some assistance to both the vaccine companies. So all these things, not politically, for humanitarian point of view, it must reach the people. That's what we need to do it. They need first vaccine and all that. On top of it, I am really, in a way, thankful to Mr. Manickam ji to start this dialogue, to create confidence in the people, to do this, and there are a lot of other things. In this state, we know what KCR said in the assembly. We know what he said, he will spend 1,000 crores. What happened? Nothing happened. And it is the employment guarantee scheme of the Indian National Congress initiated in 2004 to 2014. He is the savior of this nation today. We have migrant workers, poor people, unemployed, no economic activity. You can see in the world how they are doing it. The deficit financing by Britain is the paramount, highest in the world under these conditions. Since 1946, this is the highest deficit that what they have used to come to the rescue of the more than 50% of the people of Britain. Can we not think of it? Can we not enforce it? Can we not go to, we demand it? But these governments are mute. Unfortunately, I am emotional, sorry. I know I am beyond that 60 what Manikji said it. But I am always available. Unfortunately, in the last 40 days, there were some problems in the family. My elder brother died, not because of corona, but because of brain stroke. My wife is there in the hospital for more than 15 days recuperating. My younger brother with corona is still recuperating. That's why I am not able to leave the house. I am really sorry, but my good wishes, my inputs, wherever it is required, I am always there. I will always be there, and we will be working for the party, not just for the party. This party is for the people of this nation. Thank you very much.